Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this supplement called Nervovive. With its ingredients, benefits, and if it's actually trustworthy. So stay until the end and I'll help you. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by aches, pains, tingling, high blood sugar levels, or even weakness that are holding you back from living life to the fullest? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world suffer from diabetes and even neuropathy. But now there's hope. With Nervovive, a revolutionary formula that helps your body absorb essential nutrients. Nervovive is more than just a treatment for symptoms. It addresses the root of the problem, helping your body heal from the inside out. It was manufactured and designed into a FDA-registered facility. And what makes Nervovive so special? And does it really work? And yes, it actually works. Developed by experts with its unique formula, made with carefully selected and extremely potent nerve-supporting plants, Nervovive releases the nutrients quickly and efficiently, so they can immediately start supporting your nerves and promote regeneration, helping your body recover healthily and safely. Nervovive is composed with natural ingredients that have been used to promote health for centuries, such as passion flower, marshmallow root, corydalus, prickly pear and California poppy seed. It is the answer you've been looking for. A natural, affordable formula with no side effects whatsoever, and you can use at home by simply taking 2 capsules per day with plenty of water, and soon you will start to see amazing results. Nervovive offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like the product for any reason, you can contact the support for full refund. And you might be wondering where you can purchase it. To assist you, I have left the official website link down below, so that you don't suffer any scam and just make a secure and safe purchase, and receive the original product. If you felt overwhelmed with aches, pains, tingling, high blood sugar levels and even weakness, then Nervovive is the right choice for you. Don't wait any longer. Visit the official website down below and regain your strength and your life.